Welcome to User's Manual Model of the Family STEM Engineering Certification Program for single. You can actually do it for married people as well. Now, it's assumed that your client is a product. Now, if your client is a product, you need to help them find out who they really are, and you need to inscribe that in a sheet of paper in a way that when others look at it, they have an idea who this person is, and you need to be truthful about them. Now, there is a model we have put on your portal. You can download it. There's a sample there. Sample user's manual is there. Now, the first thing we do in user's manual creation is what we call product description. Now, when we talk about product description, you need your product description. Product description will include your name, your gender, maybe your religion if you want it. It could include your tribe if you don't mind, not compulsory. Your passion, your height, your complexion, your age, and maybe your nationality. Now, in product description also, you want to now do an overall summary of yourself, right? And so, for example, I can say my product description, I am a highly creative and passionate, out of the box solution provider. Yep, that may be my product description. Now, that takes us to the next thing, which is the brand promise. Your product description must come with brand promise, and what that means is when we encounter you, what you would expect. So, I put my name, my gender, my tribe, my passion, my height, my age, my complexion, and my nationality, and I said to you here, I'm a highly creative and passionate, out-of-the-box solution provider. Every encounter with me takes you to a place of clarity in your life and relationship. Now, that is my product description and brand promise. The next thing is, what are my capabilities and functions? Now, your capability and functions basically are the skills that you have, things that you can do easily, areas that you are most useful, okay? Things that you can do, skills that you have. And so, for me, you are effective communicator. You are musical, especially romantic. Okay, no, we can even separate it. Romantic. What else am I capable of doing? I am capable of leadership. Well, I can lead, which is part of the capability. What other skill do I have? I'm a relationship coach, a family life coach, and what else am I capable of doing? Things I can do easily, areas that are most useful, highly useful, resolving conflicts, and fun-loving and playful. Okay? I'm also very creative. Good. Now, having done that, the next thing is, what are the product features? What are the features of this product? Product features is talking about your values, your innate abilities, your unique selling point. Right? Product features. Right? So for me, leadership, influence, responsibility. These are my core values. Love, worship. Yeah, I love worship. And what else? What stands me out? What else? I hate restriction. Yeah, basically, what you should you know about my behavior? I'm a natural leader. I've talked about that. Natural leader. Out of the box thinker and an innovator. Thereabout. Yeah. So it talks about my values, my innate abilities, and what have you. Now, the next thing is your safety precaution. Safety, precaution, and related health hazards. Now, this is talking about what not to do for me to function well, how not to use me, your stressors, things to avoid so that you don't get the worst of me, what can hurt and damage me. Okay, safety precaution, avoid generalization, avoid judgment, being judgmental because it will make me pretend. Seek to clarify. Love unconditionally. Be romantic. Then I'm sensitive to words and touch. Yep. So the next thing is instruction for installation. Instruction for installation. Okay, I forgot here in my features, I am very confident. Now, instructions for installation is very simple. Say thank you for getting this product. That is an out-of-the-box solution provider, passionate about relationships. Now, this product needs to be carefully handled because it can be easily damaged. So, in using this product, you need to deploy torch and words of affirmation to get the best out of this product. This product is fragile, it's an out-of-the-box thinker, it would question status quo, but you need to learn to enjoy and believe in this product to get the best out of him. Carefully unwrap him because there is a depth in him that is not at the surface. You need to get deep into him and create a non-judgmental environment for you to get the best out of him. Something as simple as that. Now, that takes us to the next one. User's recommendation. User's recommendation. User's recommendation. That talks about recommendation. That talks about who must not use this product or who can use this product. So not to be used by cultural and traditional people. Highly recommended for first world thinkers and romantic love birds, something like that. Okay, that talks about who should use this. So it's not everyone that I can work with, right? If you're not a thinker, you can't work with me. So I already know my markets. I know the people I can work with. I know the kind of wife I can marry. I know the person I can marry because there are people I have I can stand. Really, I will tolerate. I will love them. But I just can't marry them because I need to choose who I marry. Now, the next thing is troubleshooting session. Troubleshooting session. How to troubleshoot. Troubleshooting session with technical instruction. Now, this is very simple. It simply says, how do you troubleshoot? When damaged, what must you do? So, basically, this is talking about, if you check your personality chart, you will see what to do when something has gone wrong with you. So, when it comes to troubleshooting with technical instruction, this talks about, when this product is out of order, what do you do? So, for example, when upset, you need to apologize, cuddle, and use romantic words to get me out of the mood. Okay, so troubleshooting with technical instructions saying when this product is damaged, or when something has gone wrong, or when it's upset, what do you do? How do I handle you when you are in a disempowering state? Basically, and the final thing is your FAQ. Frequently asked questions. Which are the things people misconstrue about you? So you need to be able to know those things with your client. What are the things that people complain about you that you don't think is correct? So for example, for me, I know people would say Prince is arrogant. Now, is he arrogant? Right? Is he arrogant? No. Is only confident, which has a problem. Is only confident, which third world people have a problem with. Because when it works in first and second world countries, nobody complains about the same thing. Now, is this product a flex? Here, you need to answer, no, this product is not a flex. It's just highly romantic, right? That's the answer you give to that question. So you find out the things that people don't seem to understand about or they misunderstand about you. Is it manipulative? It's not manipulative. It's just a natural leader who is creative at finding his way and getting things done whichever way it needs to get done, right? So what people may misconstrue about you are the things you put here, are the things you analyze here, are the things you put in your user's manual. Now, if you have done this well, honestly, you can drop it on the floor because you have talked about your strengths, your weaknesses, and what people will misunderstand about you. If you do it properly, then you can actually go to bed and dump it, and someone will look at it and say, based on what I've seen, I know the kind of person you should get married to. So that is how to do a user's manual for your client. So I challenge you right now to produce your own user's manual and upload it on your portal. I would like to save and make correction. Thank you very much for joining me. This is so easy to do, can't you see? I'm going to send you an example that you can download and you can use that to produce yours and produce it for other people. The amazing thing is you can charge, as much as about $200 to help people do this alone. So you have a whole lot of gold mine in your hand. That's why Family System Engineering Certification Program is a difference that makes every difference when it comes to family life and family life therapy and template. Thank you very much for joining me. We will go ahead and continue with our discussion on singleness, the Family System Engineering way. Hi, honor you.